Hi everyone, it's Kevin with Strama AI. Today's video, we're going to take a look at how we can use Strama to intelligently add leads to our existing campaigns. So let's go ahead and let's dive in. So I'm going to jump back into this campaign, playing the role of someone that works for Adobe's digital media team. And what I've done here ahead of time is I've created this campaign using our AI campaign wizard, looking for, if we pull up our qualifiers, executives either in a marketing or creative leadership role. I'm looking for folks that are at a company with over $1 billion in revenue and ideally located, well, either themselves or their company is located in the New York metro area. So I described that in our AI campaign wizard. It's created these qualifiers for me, which we've used to qualify leads that we've already added to this campaign. But we can also use that information to then have Strama go out and look for these people to add to our campaign for us. So if I click on add leads, you'll see that we now have the option to search by ideal profile. If I click by search by ideal profile, what it's going to do is going to pull in those qualifiers that we created and it's going to create a comprehensive search for us, knowing that, hey, these are the targets that you want to look at for your campaign. Quickly populate that so you can see the titles, the personas, the locations, the revenue range of that company and allow us to quickly search for leads. And what this is going to do is it's going to populate a list for us. This is going to give us a list of 100. You can see this looks pretty spot on in terms of the persona that we are looking for. And I'm not going to add all of these because that'll take forever. But let's add someone from Jeffries. Let's add from someone from, see, do I already have this person? Nope. JP Morgan Chase. Add those leads. And we now have those leads in our campaign. There we go. I just populated there. So yeah, really cool way to quickly, if you have a campaign set up and you have it defined and who you want to look for, it's a great way to be able to add those folks in. If we want to get real granular, sometimes you might be doing a campaign by company. Really easy. If you were in your campaign, you could just add a qualifier here saying that must work at JP Morgan Chase. And so when you would go into adding leads, searching by ideal profile, give that 1 minute to load. What we can do is add that company domain, or what it would do is add a company domain here. So potentially, Jeffries or Goldman Sachs or whoever you might be looking at within that New York metro. So yeah, just wanted to provide our customers a really quick way to find value, to be able to source leads, qualified leads for what they're targeting. So, hope that was helpful. Stay tuned for more videos and tutorials showing you how to use Strava. So, appreciate you taking the time, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, bye bye.